Okay, if I come over and look at the NQ, now this is, I don't think we're going to come down here. I think what we've got is a 1, 2, and this was the next one. And I'm starting to think that we've got all of this 2 in here as well. And this is some kind of 1, 2, 1, 2 went up. But the pattern in the NQ is far, far less clear than it is in the Dow Jones or the S&P 500. So I need a bit more price action. And I don't personally trade the NQ, but I do keep an eye on it because a lot of the stocks that we're in are obviously part of the Nasdaq. So looking for it to break up above 74.20, and then it's going to need to come up and take out 75.05. Support below in the NQ if this 2 here isn't in. And as we get the 2 back in the other indices, we're going to get a C down, would be at 72.94 to 72.45. Don't really want to see it take out this support zone here in the NQ now before higher. Then the Dow Jones, again, very similar to the S&P 500, but I've got this straightforward 1, A, B, C for the 2, and this clearly impulsive 5 waves up here, which I still think has got a little higher to go. And that completes the 1. This is the zone then for the 2. It'll adjust slightly once we get the confirmed top in. I don't want to see the Dow Jones back below 25,100 before we start to push up seriously higher in the 3 of 3 in the Dow as well.